Hello everyone, welcome. We are in second chapter, the Visual Basic Language Operators, Conditionals and Loops. So here is the next concept, handling higher math. Okay, so there are some math methods you can use in Visual Basic.net. See, first one is system.math.abs. System.math is a namespace. System.math.abs, it yields the absolute value of a given number, and system.math.cos, that it yields double value containing the cosine of a given angle. Okay, system.math.exp, it yields double value containing e raised to the given power, that is exponential, and system.math.log, it yields double value containing the logarithm of a given number. System.math.round, it yields double value containing the number nearest to the given value, the round off. Okay, and system.math.sign, it yields an integer value indicating the sign of a number. Sign means positive or negative. So system.math.sin, SIN, it yields double value specifying the sign of an angle, and system.math.sqrt, square root, it yields double value specifying the square root of number, and system.math.tan, it yields a double value containing the tangent of an angle. So these are all the math methods you can use in VB.net. Okay. See, next one, handling dates and times. You have some date and time properties. See, to get the current date or time, you can use the date and time property, that is today, now, time of day, date string, date time string. Okay, today, now, time of day, date string, time string. Using these properties you can get the current date or time. Okay, to perform date calculations, that is date add, date diff, date difference, or date part. To date calculations, date add, you can add months to a particular date, and date difference, you can see the difference, get the difference between two dates. Okay, and return a date, it is date serial, date value. Using date serial and date value properties, you can get a date, and to get a time, it will return a time, that is time serial, time value, and set the date or time, today, time of day. Okay, time a process, timer. Using a timer, you can set a timer to a process. Okay, all these are date and time properties. See, using format to display dates and times. There are some formats. If you use these formats, you will get, it will display date and time in these formats. See the first one, format now, MDYY. So if you use this format, it will display the date as 1103, for example 1103. Next one, format now, MDYY. MDYY, it will display the date 1103. Okay, and one more, MMDDYY, so 010103. And next one, DDD MMMMDYYY, that is DDD for Friday, MMMM for January, and small d for 1, and YYY 2003. Okay, so next one, DMMYY, that is 1 Jan 2003. And one more, HHMM SS MMDDYY. So HH for hour, MM for minutes, SS for seconds, and MM 010103. and one more HH, MM, SS, TT, MM, DD, YY. So hours, minutes, seconds, and AM or PM, and 01, 01, 03. So all these are the date and time formats. If you use these formats, it will display the dates and times in a corresponding format. Okay. There is one more, handling financial data. See, to calculate depreciation, that is DDB, SLN, SYD. Calculate future value, that is FV. Calculate interest rate, it is rate. Calculate internal rate of return, IRR, MIRR. Calculate number of periods, NPER. Calculate payments, IPMT, PMT, PPMT. Calculate present value, NPV, PV. See, these are all financial terms, okay, and financial functions available in Visual Basic.NET. So there is one more, ending a program at any time. Okay, you can end your program at any time using end keyword. So here is a program that dim str input as string, do until uk str input equal to stop, system.console.writeLine, what should I do, str input equal to system.console.readLine. So what is this? This program asks the user to enter some string, okay, to enter any string from the keyboard. So what should I do? It will print what should I do. Then whatever the user inputs, it will be stored in str input, that is system.console.readLine. Readline is like just a scanf. It will read the strings or any value from keyboard. Okay, so the entered thing is saved in or stored in str input. So do until, so it is in a loop, do until loop, and it will repeat this what should I do until the user inputs stop. Okay, capital STOP. So UCase str input, what is that? Why that UCase? Whatever the user types, it will be converted into uppercase. Okay, if user enters capital S small TOP, then it will be converted into uppercase. So it will do what should I do, it will print what should I do until the user enters the string stop. Okay, so here after that loop there is a end keyword. So this end keyword to end a program at any time, to stop a program at any time. Okay, using end keyword.